Alright, what's going on, guys? So, this week I've elected to do a weekly recap on Australian dollar, on Aussie, on CAD, and crude oil. First thing first, I'm looking for bearish dollar, still in the bearish tone, still looking for it to take out the election spike. The only thing now is I don't see a clear resistance level for us to hit, so kind of waiting to see how that plays out. It could be these highs that it created last week, or it could just be trading back up into this portion here. But if I do see it trade above here, depending on the time of the day and time of the week, that may be the sell-off above this high. So we have to we'll have to just come back to it at a later time. I just saw something else. So we still have a portion of basically a pocket that needs to be filled in right in this area. Alright, so what I'll do is, let me put this here. We'll go on the daily, see how this looks. Yes. So basically there still needs to be buy side delivery in this portion here. So let's look at this. So from here, here to here. So this may be, now that I'm looking at it, what's the low on this candle? The low on this candle is 97.56. So for the record, 97.56 may be the high of the week, and then we should see some bearish tone movement afterwards if we get a spike up to that area. Alright, so with that being said, let's jump over to CAD. Matter of fact, let's do Aussie first. So take a look at Aussie. Aussie has been respecting the support levels, so I want to see it push up some more. So here we have, let's do a 4 hour. Aussie, I think, is the one that may respond earlier in the week. And keep in mind, there is FOMC this week. It is Wednesday, 2 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So we may not see much as far as liquidity or volatility in the market until then. But I'm looking at this low here. I'm looking at this low, and I want to see it trade back into these two down candles here. So let's Let me see what that looks like on the 4 hour. Okay. Are these lows equal? 74993, 74992. So these are basically equal lows. So this is our this is our region to buy in crude oil. I'm sorry, in Aussie. So yeah, depending on the time and day, I want to see it. If it doesn't respect these two down candles, it may just want to trade below these two equal lows into this down candle before it resumes to the upside. An objective this looks like a ideal objective. The body of these two candles right here, this up candle, this down candle. If you forget the wicks, just look at the body. That should be an ideal exit point. And if we get past there, let's take a look at these two candles. It would be the open, the open of this candle, which is 76.26 or 76.20. Let's just do 76.27. 76.27 would be the exit if we pass the equal bodies of these candles here. All right. So that's what I'm looking for in Aussie. Now let's do Canadian dollar. So a UCAD, we are in a long-term bullish market, but it looks as if the commercials are hedging short currently. So what I want to look for in CAD is a trade up into these two up candles here, to the low of these two up candles. A trade here, looking for an exit at the high of this candle, which is 1.3338. Alright, so 1.3338 would be the exit, and I want to see what it does from here. If it respects this, then we should resume to the upside within the next week or so, or sometime later in this week, could be. Alright, so we'll look for that in the Canadian dollar. So once again, we're looking for the trade up here. You can see it clearly on the 4 hour. It's the 2 up candles, trade up there. Obviously your stop actually can be before it even gets to this wick. You can put the stop up in here somewhere. You don't want to see it. You don't want to see this trade if you get in it. You don't want to see it trade above the middle of these 2 candles. So anywhere above or halfway between the closing of this up candle and the high, you can place your stop loss there. It's a pretty nice stop, and expect prices to push lower. And last we have crude oil. So I'm looking to see crude oil continue to the upside until possibly Monday, New York, and look forward to trade up to 46.90. It's the bottom of the wick, the low of the on the daily candle. It's this up candle's low, and I'm gonna look forward to trade possibly below this low on this wick, on this low on the 5th. Yes, the 5th. And yeah, I'm just not too sure how much further we're gonna go below or into this wick or below this wick. So if we do get here and sell off, the first area to take some of the position off would be the bodies of these candles, then the low here, and possibly take something off the low here, and we'll see what happens after that. Alright, so remember, this week is FOMC Wednesday at 2 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and I believe that's it. So until next time, good luck, smart trading.